Hey there, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to change the font size of YouTube subtitles. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. YouTube is the easiest way to upload videos online and watch videos with almost every type of content. We can share videos of any content like facts, cooking, daily vlogging, or totally study material. There is no limitation on the size or content of the video, and also, we can search for any type of video. So, to change the font size of YouTube subtitles, you first need to go to the web browser and type youtube.com in the search bar and hit enter. Play any video. Click on the settings. And click on subtitles. Now click on options. Click on font size. Now you can change the font size of YouTube subtitles as you like. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.